Hi everyone, especially my lovely Biotonians. मुझे कभी नहीं लगता था, I never thought in my wildest imagination that मैं ऐसा कोई video I will put it up on my channel and I will talk to you like this. But trust me when I say this, I am very humbled. I'm very grateful. आज मैं Bangalore आई थी दोबारा to see all my toppers, to meet all the students जिनका NEET 2021 में result आया. There are 1000+ students who've cleared the examination, and all of them are, all of them know about Biotonic. All of them speak so highly about the kind of work that Vedantu teachers do. They meet you with so much love, respect. हम शायद एज अ टीचर बच्चों को नहीं पहचान पाते बिकॉज हम बहुत बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं. बायोटॉनिक में तो लाखों बच्चे पढ़ते हैं. देयर आर लैक्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हू स्टडी विद अस. सो समटाइम्स यू आर नॉट एबल टू रिमेंबर द नेम्स और द फेसेस ऑफ आवर किड्स, but the way they meet you, the way they greet you, the way they hug you, the way their eyes speak, the way they look up to you. मुझे आज एक चीज़ तो बहुत क्लियर हो गई, that this is love, this is my earning, this is so beautiful, this is something which no amount of money can buy, this is something which is a real wealth for a teacher. It is just so heartwarming. It fills my heart with gratitude. All my life I've always thought, oh God, give me a purpose that I can serve my country. Give me a purpose that I can be of use to humanity. Give me a purpose that I can do something for this world. Give me something that I can put my life to use. And today I see the kind of, impact that we've created, the kind of lives that we are changing. Trust me when I say this. I am so grateful to God to give me this platform. I'm so grateful that I have Biotonic and Biotonians as my home, that all of you, and that whatever I'm doing, at least that's creating a positive impact. And today I've come to this silent corner. The party is going on at the back, and I came to this silent corner because I wanted to take that out. I wanted to speak to you that I promise you today, I will never do anything which is wrong for the children of India. I will never do anything which is not ethically, morally right. I promise to do the best I can, the best of my abilities forever and ever for each one of you. I promise to be the beacon of hope. I promise to be the beacon of your dreams, to guide you, to hold your hand when you're down. I promise to do all of this and more for each one of you. And I just want to tell you this, whenever you feel that you're sad, whenever you feel that you're upset, trust me, reach out to me and I will try and do the best that I can. Today, I close my eyes in gratitude, I fold my hands in reverence, and I thank the universe for making me an instrument of change. And I promise to do the best I can in this life. I just am so grateful and so overwhelmed at this moment. Thank you for your love, my lovely students. Thank you for your trust. I will never be able to repay you, never ever. And thank you for your love and trust. I will always work for you. I will never break your trust. Lots of love. God bless all of us. God bless you. Bye.